how to clean and care for my sandalwood comb. Step one, you're gonna wanna start on a clean slate. So brush away any loose hairs you see in there or any debris. Next up, you're gonna grab yourself some beard oil and a paper towel. We're essentially just gonna put a few drops onto the paper towel and rub that onto the comb. Now that we have the oil on there, we're just gonna rub it. Make sure to get it into the teeth. And it's very important, like at this step, you'll notice we're not using water. That's where a lot of people go wrong. When you're gonna be using water, it's gonna cause split ends. It's gonna cause the wood to expand. It's basically gonna ruin the comb. Using beard oil is really good to rehydrate the wood. So that's definitely how we recommend doing it. You can already see it's getting nice and shiny. And yeah, it's gonna clean that wood. So just get all around on top, all the teeth. And looks brand new again. So even after all of that, if you're still noticing a lot of excess gunk in there, little pro tip, grab yourself a toothbrush. Basically gonna do a few drops of oil on the brush, and then we're gonna work it in. And that's gonna get really into the center of the grooves of all the teeth. Make sure it's extra clean. Last step is you're gonna wanna grab a clean paper towel, then wipe down the comb because you don't want any excess oil on there. You can see here, it's nice and clean. And then store this in a place where it's pretty low moisture. It's gonna protect the wood. Then depending how often you're using the comb, we recommend cleaning about once a week, once every other week. So that is how you clean a sandalwood comb.